How can you know for sure if an opportunity is worth taking? Is there a way to know for sure if you're making the right choices? If you've ever been stuck between choosing one action over another, you know how frustrating it can be to have to make a decision. Ultimately, you want to know which one will yield better results and be the right choice. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to know that you're making the right decisions. All your choices have costs and benefits. It's obvious that anything you do in your business and your life will probably require a resource to get going and will have the potential to make your life better. The reason people struggle with making decisions is because they're unsure of the costs and benefits going in. Will the benefits eventually outweigh the costs? You might also call these risks and rewards. What are you risking if you take this project on, and what are the potential rewards? At Sell Your Service, any new project that we take on must pass through a two-step filter. One, if we take this project on, will we commit to it 1,000 times? And two, what are the risks and the rewards for this project? For example, let's say that we want to start a new advertising campaign. The first question is to ask whether we will commit to it 1,000 times, which means, are we willing to do this project 1,000 times? Maybe once a day for 3 years, or run it 1,000 times into the future. Secondly, what are the risks and rewards? What are the costs and benefits? How much will it cost us to start the campaign? What could go wrong if the campaign fails? But also, what could happen if everything goes right? What are the potential upsides? We have a really simple pros and cons list that I run through in order to understand whether a choice is worth taking on. And if I'm comparing two choices, I'll compare the pros and cons list to each other. And of course, it's worth noting that intangible benefits are just as important to list, perhaps even more so. There's a concept called psychic profit, which is essentially another way of saying something which is intangible and impossible to measure compared to utilitarian values. For example, buying a brand new sports car makes literal zero economic sense. But if you've set goals to get your business to $1 million a year and you reach them, the sports car is a symbolic representation that you feel you deserve based on your status of being a $1 million a year turnover business. Understanding the status and deeper emotional feelings of the benefits that you would reap from committing to a project are in fact more valuable than the measurable metrics and the tangible results. Hey there, freedom fighters. My name is Mike Killen. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notified every time I publish a new video. And also make sure to like this video if you want me to keep producing more content like this. One of the reasons I started this channel is because I want to help business owners make as much money as they want, doing what they want while making a meaningful contribution. So if you are a digital marketer, a freelancer, or an agency owner looking to get more clients, grow your brand, and increase revenue, Sell Your Service is the place for you. I remember when I was asked by my coach, Sofia, she asked what types of goals and metrics I would like to hit. For example, a 200 kilogram deadlift and being able to run a marathon. And after we listed a few of those examples, she asked me a really interesting question. She asked me, why? Without thinking, I replied, I just really want to feel like I'm in the best shape I could be. I want to feel proud of my body and my fitness. And Sofia explained to me that this sense of feeling was perhaps more important than the actual numerical goals I was trying to hit. What I was looking for was psychic profit, an intangible benefit from all the programming and exercise. And it's the exact same with your business. You might want to run a $500,000 a year business because that's what real businesses do, and you want to see yourself as a real business owner. So the intangible psychic profit is not just the money and income, it's feeling like a real business owner. If you try to fool yourself into thinking that you value money or income when you really don't, those numerical goals are never going to motivate you. They're also going to seem like choices that you shouldn't make. Whereas, If you understand that the benefits of immeasurable intangible values such as family security and self-worth and self-confidence, if they outweigh the costs of feeling tired, investing in education, and working a little harder, you're more likely to move towards those choices which help you attain the values that you're seeking. Getting clarity isn't necessarily easy. It can sometimes be easier to talk through these ideas with somebody else. That's why we offer a free 10-minute one-on-one session with a member of our coaching team to help you get clear on your goals, especially towards doubling your monthly revenue and helping you work fewer hours. If you head over to sellyourservice.co.uk/freedom or use the link in the description below, you can book a free 10-minute call with one of our coaches to get hyper clear on your goals. In the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another video. Have courage, commit, and take action.